Hey guys, this is JE once again and welcome back to Vlogsetter. This is the main door, so as you enter, nasa labas yung sink. And then, a little walk over here. Yan, ito na yung bed. This is actually good for two. And this one is the superior room. And yung price niya actually is just less than 1,000 pesos. And may additional lang na tourist fee of around 25 RM. Kaya medyo a little over 1,000 naging price ng room per night. And this one doesn't have any breakfast because it's just really a basic room. So if you're looking for something to just stay, tutulugan sa gabi, so this is a good place to be. And yes guys, this is an AC room. Meron din silang pinaprovide. Ay, actually meron din itong TV. And wala silang dresser, pero meron silang, yan, sabitan lang ng mga used clothes or yung mga gagamitin nyo. So that is 360 of this room. Come on. Some flowers. Bakit nandito yung toilet? And this is their CR guys, adjacent to the main entrance. This is actually a wet toilet kasi magkasama na yung toilet and shower. And pero spacious naman siya. Yeah. And also, I just want to mention that this room doesn't have any window. You know, all pader. So dito sa paanan ng bed, and then yung mini dresser and also their coffee making facility. May pinaprovide naman silang mga instant coffee and also that water heater. And also yung bottled water.
Cracky.